Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I am here with a new off-campus drive from the Tech Mahindra company. Okay, so they are hiring for the graduate engineer trainee. uh, Before this, means in the last week Tech Mahindra was also hiring, but that one is different and this one is different. Okay, so Tech Mahindra is hiring for GET position but for multiple job location. You can see here Pune mentioned here, then Chennai. Okay, so uh, there are separate like they have separated the job description and position location wise. Okay, so first one was Pune location, then second one is for Chennai location, then Hyderabad location, then Bangalore location, then Noida, and the last one is Mumbai location. Okay, so if you are from Mumbai and interested for this job location, then you can apply from here. Okay, suppose if you are from Hyderabad location or you are interested to apply for the Hyderabad job location, then you can apply from here. Okay, so for example I will take this one. So graduate engineer trainee, they are providing you 3.5 LPA. Okay, for all the GETs. Okay, for all the GETs they are providing 3.5 LPA. Okay, so openings are 100. CTC salary will be 3.5 with 3 months probation period. There will be 3-month training period. They will give you the training on the different technologies, on programming knowledge, and after that it depend on the your performance. After that they will provide you 4 lakh per annum. This will be your CTC after 3 months, that is post probation. Okay, functional area engineering, they have provided the job description here, but before that we will check what is the eligibility criteria. Minimum 60 percentage or first class or equivalent in SSC, graduate BE BTech or postgraduate MCA. Minimum 60% or equivalent and or above in HSC and diploma. Suppose if in case you have done diploma, then minimum 60% you should have. Not more than 1 year gap since SSC, and that too not after joining a course, means no loss of academic year after a joining course. Then in BE BTech, computer science, electronics and communication, information technology, information science, telecommunication, these branch candidate are eligible to apply. Minimum marks 60% in graduation in 2019, 2020, 2018. No backlogs accepted. Okay, so qualification required MCA computer, BE BTech as well. Then minimum marks 60 percentage in post graduation. Suppose if you have not done your post graduation, can apply. So this off campus drive is for 2018, 19, 20, 20 pass out batch candidate. No backlog accepted. Okay, so candidate should have either undergraduation or post graduation qualification. Minimum 12th marks required 60 percentage, 10th mark required 60 percentage. Company name is Tech Mahindra Limited, and above they have provided the key responsibilities. Okay, so deliver project, basically what a software engineer do, those responsibilities are mentioned here. Then they have mentioned here the technical skills: Oracle, Python, SAP ABAP, Angular, .NET, Java full stack, all these technical skills they have mentioned. Okay, so the same mentioned here, this is also for 2019, 2020, 2018. They have just separated forms by location wise. Okay, so suppose I am interested for Bangalore location, then I will click on this link and apply from here. I can apply from here. So 100 openings for each location, you can see here. For Noida, 100 openings. Okay, so I will provide all these links in the description box below with job location wise, so that you will directly apply from that link. Okay, so please apply for this off campus drive. This is for 2019, 2018, 19 and 2020 pass out batch candidate. Okay, so please apply for this off campus drive, and thanks for watching this video.